Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mm, Hello everyone. Today we will learn about legends. Legends are traditional stories that have been passed down from generation to generation. Through legends, we can learn about culture, local wisdom, and moral values. During this unit, we will read, analyze, compare, and create our legends. And okay, the next slide to learning objective. Before we start, let's look at our learning objective. In the first meeting, we will learn the structure and language feature of legends. In the second meeting, we will compare different versions of legends and evaluate their moral values. In the third meeting, we will create our own legend and reflect. So, what we have learned. Okay, have you ever had more than one version of the same legend? Okay, next. Malin Kundang. Now, let's look at a famous Indonesian legend, Malin Kundang. This story has four important parts: orientation, complication, resolution, and coda. Orientation introduces Malin Kundang and his mother, and complication is Malin becomes rich and denies his mother, and resolution is his mother curses him, and the last coda is he turns into stone and the stone remains until today. Their four parts help us understand and analyze any legends. What do you think is the moral lesson of this story? Okay, next, features in legends. Legends have special language features. The first is the use of part tense because the events happened in the past. Example like live, left, became, turned, and the second feature is time conjunctions such as one upon a time and one day. The third feature is adverbial phrases that tell us where, when, or how something happened. Next, a like Toba. Now let's practice read the short legend of Like Toba. Careful. After read, identify the orientation, complication, resolution, and coda. Then find three past tense verbs and determine the moral value of the story. Work individually or with a partner for 5 minutes. Okay, next, let's discuss the answer together. Orientation is farmer catches a golden fish and marries the princess. Complication is he breaks his promise. Resolution is the princess disappears and a flood occurs. Coda is like Toba is formed. The moral lesson is that we should keep our promise because breaking trust can lead to negative consequences. Okay, and now I want to exercise. Yeah. I want you to work in group 5 or 4 or 5 students discuss the difference between the two versions of Malin Kundang. After discussing, choose one representative to present your group's opinion. Why are the endings different? Two, which version is more meaningful to you and why? Three, how does local culture shape the story? Okay. uh, Stay with your group. Rewrite a legend in a modern setting such as school lives, social media, or city life. This is like create orientation, communication, resolution, and coda. Use past tense verb. Use adverbial phrases and present your story in front of the class. And the last for homework, please choose one of the following projects and submit it next week. Rewrite a legend and add comic illustration. Create a digital storytelling video, maximum 3 minutes, and perform a story drama with a partner. And okay, before we finish, let's reflect on today's lessons. What was the most interesting part of today's lesson? What a moral value did you learn? What should we preserve traditional legends? Your final project is to choose one of these activities, create a comic, a digital storytelling video, or a short drama based on a legend. Okay, legends are not only stories for entertainment, they teach us valuable lessons and help preserve our culture. Thank you for your participation and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.